That's interesting. I do not have chat. Why do I not have chat? This is this is not finally making to do. I think this should be good. Yep, that should be good for now. We're good. We were definitely good. Let's begin. Also, we should probably reduce the volume for this. Really? I think we should be fine with this. Ooh. Fine. Given two integer arrays A and B, both sides of n and m respectively, your task is to find all the common elements in both of them. Each element is in the result should appear as many times as shows both array. Result can be in any order, perfect. A and B, whereas 1, 2, 2, 1, so 2, so 2, whatever. So this 1, 2, 2 is the array. So what about this? Okay, how do you solve this? Okay, we've got two arrays, right? We've got we've got A1 and B, sorry, we've got A and B. So these are two arrays which can have anything in them. Now, we've got two solutions. We've got two new data types that we're working with. We're working with HashMaps. We're working with HashMaps. And we are working with sets. Now, sets will make sure everything is unique. Now, as you can see, if it's got duplicates in both of them, so we can kind of go ahead and say, oh, that's an issue. So what about if we create a single hash map Okay, we add both of these in them. Both of them in them. In this hash map, basically, we just basically create a big hash map, and then we go ahead and just do operations on this that will make it so that it's like that. So what will be the ending hash map? We'll make a frequency hash map, okay, which will take an int comma int. We're gonna use set in this case because set will be too individualistic. All right. Okay, so what can we do? So say we have, let's take this one. Can we just copy paste this? Yes, we can. That is sad. Are you serious? Oh yeah, there we go. I was supposed to click on that. Okay, we've got 1 2 2 1 and B. Okay, I already like TL draw so much better right now. Okay, so what we can do is we create a hash map of this frequency array. All right, we're gonna go ahead and say, hey, it's gonna first take A, so it'll create 1 2. 1 will have 1 instance, 2 will have 1 instance, then we'll add 2 again, 2 will become 2 instances, and 1 will become 2 instances. Alright, then we go ahead and add 2 again, it'll become 3 instances. Yo, this is loud as goddamn hell, mate. There we go. I think this is better. Yeah. So we'll get 3 instances of 2, then 3 which will have 1 instance, and then we'll have 3 which will have 1 instance. Then we will have we'll have, what do you call this, 2 with the 4 instance, and 1 with the 3 instance. Okay. Okay. Let's look at set union. Okay, let's try and do a set union. Okay, let's look at this. A hash set has something called retain all. Wait. Hold on. Wait, what? Oh, it's a hash set though. But set will cause an issue, right? See, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Set will only keep a single instance of it. That's the only problem. Okay, what is a better way though if I don't want to use a hash map? Like, let's say if we don't have a hash map, how do we do this? Okay, so we can obviously like use a hash map. So what we can do is we can create a hash map of A. Oh, and we can then run B if B can if container of. Oh, okay, we can do it this way, right? So we can create a hash map. Why didn't I think of this earlier? We can create a hash map of A. Then if um, uh, if like sorry map, let's call it this map. If map of map dot contains key B of I, um, so what am I trying to do? Let's just draw what I'm trying to do exactly. Okay, you've got okay. Let's just go ahead and we'll just go ahead and paste this. We're gonna go this again. We're gonna click on this. We're gonna go ahead and go over here. We're gonna make this bigger. Okay. What I'm trying to do is let's first create a hash map or frequency hash map of A. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and do A, which this is A, which contains two instances of one, two instances of two. Okay. Then we're gonna go ahead. Uh, if uh, this a map contains B of I, which is the key, then you go ahead and add that to the result, which will be you add the key to result B of I to the result, and then you do uh, an update where you go ahead and do the B of I, get B of I minus minus. So that way you reduce one frequency, and that means one frequency is still left. And then you return the result. Make sense? So we've got over here, yeah, the idea is it'll basically check, hey, does B have 2? Yes, it does. So add 2 to the result. So result of K is equal to 2, comma, does it have 3? No pulse, and then minus minus 1. Does it have 1? Yes, 2, 1. Minus minus will become 1 instance left, and then 2 again. It'll go like, oh, 2. So the answer should be 2, 1, 2. Now here's the issue. It wants it at 1, 1, 2. Result can be in any order. Each element result should appear as many times as shown in both arrays. You know what? It's not giving me the same order, but it should work. So let's give it a try. Let's give it a shot, alright? So we're gonna go ahead and create a hash. Okay, we're gonna create a result array. Do we know the size of the result array? No, we don't. We can just do a hashmap.toArray, right? Yeah, we can. Alright. And we can do again, go hashmap, go intigr. What's the spelling of integer? Please tell me what's the spelling of integer. integer only. Okay, integer only. Hashmap of integer, which will be result, is equal to new hashmap hashmap of integer, comma integer, which will be the a map. A map should be equal to new new hash map of integer comma integer. Can we just do a? Can we just do that? No, I cannot. I actually need to make a frequency array. So we can do for. We can also go ahead and say int a int n is equal to a dot length, int m is equal to b dot length, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, if a map dot god damn it. Alright, contains key, right? Okay, hash map contains key, map contains key, Java. Just making sure it's contains key. Yeah, it's contains key. Yeah, let's just go ahead and write hashmap dot contains key a of I, then a map dot put a map a of I comma a map dot get a of I plus 1. Let's go ahead and put this all in a particular thing. So this way we can have like, yo, okay, fine. A map dot put else a map dot put a of I comma 1. Okay, this should be okay. So this should basically create an a map. All right. Of a frequency array. So this will basically go like, hey, if it contains the key, so, oh, it does not contain key, fine, put it in. If it contains the key, it does not contain the key, put it in. It contains the key plus 1. Dot get a of I plus, then just get the value plus 1, put it in. Cool. Then we go ahead and put it again. Good. And then we put it again. Good. Now we need to compare it. All right. Hashmap is a key value pair. So I'm not sure if I can use this as a result. Like, does that make sense? Yeah, it does make sense. Can I? What can be the result? Result has to be an int array, right? What is a single type list? Can I take a list? Java list. Yeah, I can take a list. I can add it to the list. That's perfect. We've got add. Okay, we can do a list. We can do a list of integers. And then we can go ahead and say, hey, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than m, I plus plus, if a map dot contains key b of I, then basically res dot add b of I, a map dot put put b of I comma a map dot get b of I -1, and then we can of course encapsulate this as well. I've got a feeling this will complain in this compiler, but I don't know why. It does kind of complain, so I might have to put a hey, get the value and just reverse the value, which will be an int. So be happy, because it just, I think it does not like integer and int, which is, hey, those are your rules. I don't know why you put them there. It's that's why I hate Java, because hey, I can declare an int, but if I want to use it for a hash map as a templated class, I have to use the class integer. So by the way, this is the difference. This is a primitive data type. This is a class. For those of you, I know a lot of you are like, what? What do you mean? Java is stupid. Java is freakishly stupid. Why am I using Java? Because I gotta learn Java. Alright? Uh, okay, amap.put, okay, so when we get the value and then we do a -1 on it, we should be fine. So this is basically, hey, decrease the frequency because I've already used that frequency. Else just do not give a shit. So else I do not give a crap, and then I think we can just do return res dot to array to array. Is that a thing? List dot to array Java. Yeah, it's to array. So array Schwix to array. Yep, to array list dot to array. So what will this do? It should return a 1D array. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's go like, hey, 1221 has been added to a list. It goes ahead and checks, hey, 2 is there, 2 is there, yes, and -1. Get at BFI and then just negate 1 from it. Is 3 there? No, 3 is not there, so don't do anything. 1 is there. Add it to the res, and like reduce the frequency of 1, 2, then frequency of 1. Result should be good. Yeah. What is the issue? Oh, new hash map. That was stupid of my. Okay, because hash maps are key value pairs, so I cannot use hash maps. Over there is equal to new what? Cannot find new. Are you kidding me? Am I? Oh, list cannot be instantiated because I think it's array type. Okay. Cannot find hash map. You're joking. Have I got the spelling wrong? Oh, yeah, I've got the spelling wrong. Hash map. Hash map. I forgot. Camel casing. Okay, now can you be happy? Cannot convert. Okay, maybe I'll have to do it that way. Group size. That's one way to do it. Sorry, rest dot size. Oh. I think this should be return the. Okay, should be fine. I'm so bad at this. I'm so goddamn bad at this. I'm so bad at this. Why am I like this, bro? No suitable method found. Will I have to? Seriously, okay. New list of. What does it want from me? Yeah, I did. What does it want? What about Java vector? Array list. Oh my god, it's array list. Jeebus. Okay, now can I do this? Perfect. Oh. My bad. If it contains key, then it can go to and a map dot get. Let's create the 0. Okay, we should be good. That fuck you. Oh yeah, there is music playing. Oh, what do you know? So we've got one trivial case correct. This was easy, but it took too long to kind of code it down. Implementation is sad for me. In a given array, find the largest contiguous sequence of arrays which sum is 0. Okay. So I do know how to do this. So what is the best way to do it, right? So I know how to do this. So we can go ahead and use a proper area over here. Actually, let's go ahead and create a new project. Okay. Fuck. Sorry about that. Tends to do that. So what it's trying to ask here is there a particular array which will be like this? We'll just oops. I have this. Why do I not use this? So is there a particular array which can be in a way so that the subarray can be 0. Now, sadly, we've already discussed this in one of the classes that I did, and the idea is if I minus 1 is equal to j, when we take a prefix sum, where the idea is we take a sum at each point, then the ith and the jth are the sum. Like, that's the whole point. So what is the best way to kind of, what is, so that way, how do I do this in O of 1 and all together? Now, we have the power of hash maps as well. How do we do this? Hash map will only make one key. So when there are duplicates, this can be an issue, right? Yeah. So using a hash map for this might be a weird idea. Why would I do that? So what we can do is we can take a separate array with prefix sum. Alright. We can find, hey, this I minus 1 and j is equal. Can we do that? Oh, no. We can just put the prefix sum in, then go through, traverse through this array, and when a key, like traverse to this array for a set, and say, hey, if it contains the key already, then return the index of it. If it contains the key, take the index. Okay, what am I trying to do here? Okay, we can use a hash map to go ahead and say, hey, listen, I'm going to create a hash map where it'll be the index I, the k, and the index I as the values. So what it'll do is it'll go ahead and say, hey, found the first digit, saved it as I. Second digit, saved the I. Third digit, saved it as I. Fourth digit, saved it. Oh wait, I found the same one at this I. So break that, Hanji. Alright. This is kind of irksome, but alright. I might have to go. We didn't even do an hour today, we did 30 minutes. Okay, can we do a quick logic for this? Okay, step 1, take prefix sum. Step 2, start putting the prefix sum into the hash map. Then as soon as you get the key, get a 3, if you find common, then break with the j, with the I, and get at which index it is, get the index and j, and then that I plus 1 comma j in the result is the result. But it's not the longest sequence, right? I'll have to do this tomorrow, won't I? Yeah, I cannot do this right now. I have to kind of leave. Alright, I think we'll continue this next time. I don't think I'll be able to do this online because I'll have to finish these soon enough. I am falling a bit in trouble because I have 30 of these, which is another set of stuff that I need to do. And also I'm falling down on the leaderboard. So I'm on 10, I wanted to get to 5 next time. But that's not gonna happen if I cannot keep up. So even my daily goal is at 300 right now. I need to make it 400. I still have 20 hours to finish this, so might do a couple problems which are the easier ones, which are printing pattern 2. Well, that. See you.